And we are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. Grabe, I'm still overwhelmed and super happy from our live yesterday night with my amazing guest, Coach Lynette. Grabe, what a blessing. I may not have experienced her financial hardship before, but I'm looking forward to the success na meron siya ngayon, maaabot ko rin in the future. She reminded us na it's just a matter of time, sabi niya. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang. The lesson is still fresh in my heart, and it's a perfect lead-in to our topic tonight. Because for my Series 62, we're diving into something close to all of us. Turn pain into purpose. How can hardships, struggles, and even heartbreaks in life become fuel for something meaningful? That's what we will talk about tonight. So, lahat tayo, di ba, dumadaan sa sakit, financial struggles, family problems, failed relationships, health scares. And in that moment, parang hindi mo alam paano ka babangon. But here's the thing, pain can either paralyze you or propel you. So I remember meeting so many people in our community, mga mommies, mga OFWs, even retirees who carried so much pain. Yung iba galing sila sa utang, yung iba iniwan ng trabaho, yung iba naman na burn out sa career. But instead of letting it break them, ginawa nila itong gasolina. Yung sakit, ginawa nilang gasolina. So they turned it into purpose. And that's why I believe hardship has hidden gifts. It sharpens us. It pushes us out of our comfort zone. Kasi kung hindi ka nasaktan, baka hindi ka maghanap ng bagong paraan. Kung hindi ka nahirapan, baka hindi ka magising na may mas magandang future na pwede mo papalang makuha. So our business is a great example. Some of us started because we were tired, we were broke, we were stuck. Pero look at us now, building something that not only gives income, but gives impact. Yung dating sakit, ngayon naging kwento ng pagbabago. So if you're going through pain right now, I want you to ask yourself, how can I turn this pain into purpose? Maybe your struggle with money can inspire you to build financial freedom. Maybe your struggle as an OFW missing your kids can inspire you to create time freedom. Maybe your heartbreak can push you to value yourself more and build a life where you thrive, not just survive. Because like Coach Lynette, what she said yesterday night, it's just a matter of time. So inuulit ko, it's just a matter of time, sabi ni Coach Lynette. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang. Don't give up in the middle of your pain. Walk through it and let it shape you to someone stronger, wiser, and more purposeful. So tonight, mga kakwento, remember this. Your pain doesn't define you. Your purpose does. Whatever you've been through, you can rise, you can heal, and you can create something beautiful out of it. So if this spoke to your heart, don't just stop here. Take action. Start something. Invest in yourself. Because your story of pain can be someone else's source of hope tomorrow. So stay strong, keep growing, and always turn pain into purpose. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more about the business, you can direct message me or register on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. Good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.